Technology promises to revolutionize supply chains from AI forecasting to warehouse robotics and blockchain tracking. But here's the harsh truth. 70% of supply chain digital transformation projects fail to deliver expected results. Why do billion-dollar companies like Nike, Target, Walmart, with the best consultants, still end up with broken systems, higher costs, and frustrated employees? Welcome to Fix My Supply Chain, the series where we break down real supply chain problems and show you how to solve them. In today's episode, we'll uncover the root causes of digitization failures, share real-world case studies, and reveal practical solutions to make sure your tech transformation doesn't go wrong. Let's start. What do we mean by digitization failures? When we talk about digitization failures in supply chains, we're not just talking about IT bugs or software glitches. We're talking about ERP systems that cost millions but never get adopted, AI demand forecasts that make errors worse instead of better, IoT tracking systems that don't integrate with legacy data, warehouse robots that sit idle because the workflow wasn't redesigned. Essentially, digitization failures happen when technology investment doesn't translate into business improvement. Example, in 2000, Nike invested $400 million in a new forecasting platform. Instead of improving forecast accuracy, their error rates jumped in the first year because the system relied on poor historical data, causing multimillion losses. Root causes of tech failures. Most digitization failures can be traced back to a few critical root causes. Poor data quality. Garbage in equals garbage out. If your demand history is inaccurate or siloed, AI will only amplify the error. Example, a food distributor's ERP went live with mismatched product codes, resulting in $15 million worth of stock showing as unavailable when it was sitting in the warehouse. Lack of change management. Employees don't trust or adopt the system. Old habits, like Excel tracking, continue. A new TMS, transportation management system, failed in a U.S. logistics firm because truck dispatchers kept using WhatsApp instead of logging routes on the platform. Overcustomization of ERP/systems. Companies spend millions customizing instead of aligning processes. This makes upgrades impossible and systems unstable. Siloed implementations. Tech works in one department but doesn't integrate across supply chain functions. Example, warehouse automation that didn't link with supplier schedules, leading to empty shelves despite robots working efficiently. Chasing tech buzzwords instead of strategy. Blockchain, AI, drones, but without solving a real business pain point. Many firms adopt shiny tech without an ROI-driven roadmap. Real-world case studies. Let's look at some well-known examples where digital supply chain projects went wrong. Nike's demand planning disaster 2000s. Invested $400 million in a new demand planning system. Result, stockouts of popular shoes, $100 million lost revenue. Why? Poor data quality plus over-reliance on software. Target Canada collapse, 2015. Inventory system launched with inaccurate product data. Shelves stayed empty despite warehouses full. Contributed to $2 billion in losses and a complete market exit. Walmart blockchain pilot, 2017 to 2019. Overhyped as end-to-end food traceability. Struggled with supplier adoption, scalability issues, and ended as a limited pilot instead of global rollout. Solutions: how to prevent digitization failures. So, how do you make sure your supply chain digital transformation doesn't crash and burn? Here are 5 practical solutions. Start with a business problem, not tech. Don't chase blockchain because it's trending. Ask, what problem am I solving? Stockouts? Lead time visibility. Inventory cost? Fix data first. Data hygiene equals non-negotiable. Standardize product codes, clean historical demand, and ensure master data accuracy before going live. Change management and training. Make employees champions, not resistors. Use pilots, gamification, and hands-on training. Phased implementation. Don't big bang a $100 million ERP in one day. Start with one process, like demand forecasting, stabilize, expand. Measure ROI and feedback loops. Track KPIs, forecast accuracy, stockout percent reduction, order cycle time. Example, a 1% improvement in forecast accuracy for a $10 billion manufacturer equals $100 million savings in working capital. Conclusion: digitization in supply chains is powerful, but only if done right. Without strategy, clean data, and employee adoption, even the best technology will fail. Remember, tech doesn't fix broken processes. It only makes them fail faster. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your team. And tell us in the comments, what's the biggest digital transformation challenge you've seen in your supply chain? This is Supply Geek, and you've been watching Fix My Supply Chain. See you in the next episode. Join the 10 Minutes for Supply Chain membership. Inside, you'll unlock members-only deep dive videos on procurement, logistics, and strategy. Weekly global updates that keep you smarter than your competition. Exclusive case studies and templates used by real industry pros. Live Q&A sessions where I answer your questions in real time. Plus early access to videos and bonus discounts on our resources. Click the join button now and become part of the smartest supply chain community on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay informed. Stay ahead. Stay supply smart.